We are living in an exciting time of human exploration. For the first time since 1972, NASA is sending humans to the moon with mission Artemis. And unlike the Apollo era, Artemis astronauts will work to establish permanent bases on the moon, using the knowledge and experience we gain there to pave the way for the human exploration of Mars. The Artemis program relies on the powerful Space Launch System, or SLS, and the Orion spacecraft, which will transport astronauts to the Deep Space Gateway in lunar orbit. The astronauts will then transfer from this lunar outpost to the Human Landing System, or HLS, which will then deliver them to the surface of the moon. We at the South Texas Astronomical Society have teamed up with NASA for an exciting project called Generation Artemis. Our goal is to connect the Rio Grande Valley community with this incredible endeavor carried out by NASA and their partners like Blue Origin and SpaceX. Last summer, we hosted a series of Artemis summer camps where students learned about each component of the mission through hands-on STEM activities. And now you'll have the chance to do those activities with your explorers as well. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery with Generation Artemis. Let's ignite the spark of curiosity and explore the future of space together.
In this activity, students will design and create their own lander working with different materials. Builders will learn that the key to a successful landing is the distribution of energy across a wider surface. Within development, students will learn to test and improve their design as well as communicate the logic behind their process changes. Materials and quantity of materials for this activity are subject to availability and customizable through administration. Some material we used for demonstration include straws, tape, foil paper, Dixie cups, rubber bands, paper, and pencils. But remember, you can use whatever you have around you. And of course, for the precious cargo, we used model eggs for dummy testing, but real eggs can be used for the full challenge. Students will be given time to sketch out their designs, encourage creativity, and remind them of functionality. Think of different materials and their nature with collision testing. Allow students time to begin building their models. You can add further challenges by adding a size requirement. Previously, we used a repurposed oatmeal canister as a reference limit. Remember, the cargo must have a way to be inserted and removed from the structure without added manipulation. Now load your landers up, strap your astronauts into the model, and release the structure from a given height. This height is also subject to change. How far are your astronauts required to travel for entry? 2 meters or off the second story? Remember, just as you wish your egg to be safe, everyone needs to be as well. Have the adults monitor the egg drop. Now open up your lander mechanism and see which egg survived. Think about your choice in materials and design. Is there anything you would change? Make sure to have fun and think with innovation.